in the road there, but I'm back at it. So, it's Monday, we've got packages, it's unboxing day. So the first thing you might be wondering is, what is a Farrier box? Well, it's a pretty cool idea that come along. It's good for a lot of reasons, but it's a subscription. And you sign up for the subscription, pay your fee. Right now, I think she's doing a box every 2 months, so your fee gets paid every 2 months. And then you get Farrier Christmas, a box full of goodies. So let's see what's in the old Farrier box. Hey, there we go. A Bellotta Pro Plus top level. Hey, who doesn't love a new rasp? I haven't tried these out in a long time, so I don't know much about them, but I'm going to give it a roll. You can get that. Rasp is a rasp. Let's see here. Alright, we got another horse sucker and some Silverback coffee. Boy, isn't he a clever booger. He never quits coming up with ways to make money. Farrier Brew, dark roast coffee, Colombian, hand roasted. Strength is 5 beans. So, pretty good sized pack of coffee, so you'll know pretty well if you like it or not by the time you get to the end of that. And besides that, that's a cool idea. Another Farrier rocking on. So, hell of an idea. So that explains this. We've got the Arctic 20-ounce tumbler. Who doesn't need a new Go Cup? Hey, look at there, Farrier box. Get in there. Ah. Sweet. 20-ounce Go Cup with a sealable lid. Who doesn't need one of those? Goes good with that coffee, right? Alright, so let's see what else we got. Ooh, there's our tool. Wait. Oh. Kurt cart. Tossed in the tape measure. Got a rasp handle to go with our rasp. Oh. And some Foot Pro crease nail pullers. Sweet. I can't tell you much about them because I've never used them. But based on anything I know about crease nail pullers, they ought to do the job pretty well. I don't know how they wear. I don't know anything about them. But I'll guarantee you I'm not too proud to toss them in the box and try them out. Let's see what else we got. Oh, sweetness. The Digital Steel Propane Key. If you haven't tried these things yet, you're missing out. I have got one on every one of my regulators. I make swapping out bottles super easy, not having to wrestle around with a wrench. And then I put the male end on there. I get the one with the washer on it. I think my GoPro just quit me, but that's okay. But anyway, I get the one with the rubber washer on it, and I use these on every bottle. They're on my Fords, they're on the truck. Yeah, it's especially nice on the heater where you're changing bottles all the time. So those things are well worth the money you put into them. And let's see here. Ooh, look at there. Some samples. Alright. So, Conforge has decided to kind of tap into this deal because we think it's a good idea and it's a good way to get samples out there. So this time we went with the 3/8 by 1 size 3 kegger. This shoe is sweet for those of us that like a little width of section underneath feet, and punch center of stock so you can get a good nail line on those heavy walled horses, and you can trim that back if you've got a thin walled horse. But I couldn't wait to get these out. The 3/8 by 1 kegger, Conforge kegger is here, and you get your first set of samples in the Farrier box. Alright, as if that's not enough, that's it. So, alright, so go to farrierbox.com, check them out. It's a cool deal. You know, you're going to save a little money on the cost of all this stuff. The best part though is you get to try cool shit. I mean, what Farrier doesn't like to try new stuff? And that's my favorite thing about it, and it's a great way to put samples out there. So I'm going to keep the unboxings rolling because I think it's a great idea, and you should. Click subscribe, click like if you dig it, share if you want to, but 100% go to farrierbox.com, check out the subscription, and let's help keep a good thing going and get cool stuff. So alright, peace, I'm out of here.